It's very, very quiet, calm evening. It is the day after Missouri rifle season, rifle deer season, and the day before Thanksgiving. Man, I'm pumped. I'm ready to kill a predator. It's been a long deer season, and now's the time. Now is the time to get out and kill some predators for me. So hang in there. Excellent spot. Excellent Bobcat farm. Got some overcast. It just has the feel to it. So let's kill something. Come on. All right. You guys know me. It's time for some Mrs. McCottontail. Mrs. McCottontail and some cagey cottontail. So that's what we're gonna start ripping. Gonna put the sound out there. Got a good rock structure over here on the other side of me. Cedar thicket, creek bottom. Perfect. Let's kill something. Be keeping a real close eye down this fence row. I've got a squirrel barking back over here on this ridge. So I'm gonna keep a real tight look down this fence row right here. Get right here. I was just getting ready to call it quits. I mean, I'm losing light this fast. Just getting ready to call it quits. And he just come out of nowhere. He slipped through this grass. I never even knew he was there. He ain't a big cat, but it's the first one of 2024 for me. Boom! I forgot to load my gun. How freaking sweet. Man, my first Bobcat stand of fall 2024. I mean, my first Bobcat stand, and I've got a Bobcat on the ground. This is freaking sweet. I knew this cat was coming. I heard it. Heard the squirrels barking up there. Guys, that's a super awesome tip. You got to listen to the birds and the squirrels. They'll tell you what's coming, guys. Man, it's a pretty cat. It's speckled up. Look at this dude right here. No, man. First cat of 2024, and I'm freaking pumped, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, it is a tom. Smacked him right through the shoulder with that 224 Valkyrie. Oh, I gotta step this off. He's right here. I mean, he literally sat back and watched the show on this X24 and X decoy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps from the X24 and the X decoy. How freaking sweet is that? Man, I switched all different kinds of sounds. Started out with my favorite Mrs. McCottontail. We went from that to cagey cottontail. From that, we went to cottontail sauce MFK. From that, we jumped over to Mad Rabbit and still didn't have nothing hit. I knew this cat was over here. The squirrels just kept barking. And I finally got the flycatcher, and I figured, you know, I'm just gonna ramp this sound down real low and see if I can't draw it out. And boom, it wasn't 2 or 3 minutes, the cat cleared, and here we are. Man, I'm freaking pumped.